We often get asked in the comments, what screen recording software do we use? And this is it. We use Screen Studio, and I'm very grateful to Adam and the team for this fantastic bit of software that they've created. We've been using it for quite a long time now on the Planet No Code YouTube channel and recording our videos. And that's just because it does some really impressive things. But first of all, in case it's going to be a bit of a disappointment, this is only available on macOS, and they don't have any plans for releasing it on Windows. But we already see that there's this great demo led by Adam, and you'll see it in our videos. You got these lovely backgrounds. You can zoom in. You can control all of that in the timeline. There's a lovely bit where the individual's profile video webcam feed that shrinks and that changes size depending on as you zoom in. There's tons of options here. There's subtitles, and there's loads of pro companies. You've got Stripe using it. You've got Shopify. I mean, they've done a really good job. We're really pleased to use their software, and we use it across the team. You've got vertical mode. So some TikTok videos would look great with this. The manual zoom, easy editing. They've basically got a simple editor there where you can cut and chop and trim clips. Things just look really, really professional. We got a link in the description. If you are looking to do some screen recording and you want it to look really pro, then I think that Screen Studio is the best application out there.